Hey everybody, this is Paul, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Welcome to my Sunday live stream and ham radio activity on ham radio bands. Today I'm going to test the very first live stream with short latency of these audio. So I expect that there will be maybe a little bit worse graphic. Maybe quality of the video will be a little bit worse than is used to be because of low latency of transmission. I decided to test this low latency transmission because of two big delays between my live and between my real transmission. And sometimes I think that people are confused because they don't hear me on the radio, but they hear me on the live stream. So that's the reason why I decided to try this low latency. Just let me know what quality is of the picture, and we can start working. I'm currently on 17 meters and I'm looking on the screen that 17 meters looks pretty promising. I have seen some stations from the DX from the overseas. I'm currently beaming northwest as usual at this time. It's afternoon and we have during the afternoon we have good propagations to the west part of the world. Propagation to the east part of the world are mostly in the mornings over here. So this is the reason why I'm always heading west on my live stream, because my live stream I'm doing always or most of the time at evening or afternoon times. Okay, David, good sound and good video quality. Hello, Leon Freeman. Thank you very much that the picture is okay, and also Michael. Stevo, sound quality is BBC, perfect. Happy New Year, Steve. Mike 7 Golf Whiskey Juliet. Okay, so this is the low latency live stream, guys. I think for the first time I'm testing the low latency live stream for a better reception, your reception. You can see me and hear me on the band and on the live stream almost at the same time. But I didn't prove that yet. So this is my first, the very first test of this live stream, and depends on the quality. I will maybe use the same setting in my next ones. Hey, serious stuff. Hello, brother. Thank you for watching, guys. And now let me switch to the radio and we can start working some stations on the radio. Okay, David, that's the good question. Could you tell us about your equipment and the antenna conditions? Well, actually, all my details about the equipment you can find down in the video description. Always, when you see my videos on YouTube, I always try to put the all informations about my conditions, links, or any other info in the video description, always there. So please don't forget to look down into the video description. But I will show you my ham check conditions. Just give me a moment. Okay, so here I start with the power supply, which is one of the most important device in the HAMRADIO. So over here, you can see my 30 amp power supply, which is the switching power supply. Over here, you can see the 8-band equalizer. I could show you that. So this is the Uniform Radio 6 Quebec Whiskey 8-band equalizer. We have some other settings here or features. This is the compression. This is the mic gain, and this is the noise gate, as it has also the noise gate. So for filtering some background noise, background hiss, and some other things. That is really nice thing. And this switch is for respawn or time delay or something like that when I'm using echo. But I never used an echo on this equipment, but it is there. You see, that's the level of the echo. And this is the time or delay of the echo. And over here, this is the output gain from this device. So this gain is set after I made all the settings in this equipment. And the output signal is coming through this potentiometer here and going to my radio. This is how it works. Many people are telling me that I have a good audio, so I believe that this is mainly due to this device. So thank you to Uniform Radio 6 Quebec Whiskey for this device. I've been using this device for many years, maybe 6 years. I have this device and working flawlessly. Well, next my equipment. Oh yeah, this is my homemade Guangsheng. You had seen it maybe in my yesterday's live stream. I made this transceiver from 3 Guangsheng's UVK5, and most of them I'm using for spare parts. Over here you can see the Bluetooth microphone with the speaker. And this is transmitter for the Guangshengs, or you can use it even for you can use it even for Baofangs and so on. And I have the CEC version 05 installed in this radio. Of course, this radio has been modified for shortwave bands and lower sideband as well. And the upper sideband as well is working here on this band, as you can see here. Okay. Computer which I'm using on my live streams is just this one. It's very small device, pretty good one. And I'm using this computer by logging. When I'm logging contacts, I'm using this little device, this little computer. It is low power consumption computer, so it can run all days 24/7 because of maybe 30 watts of power, and it gives me pretty good power. And I have 2 monitors over here, so no problem at all. It has 3 HDMI outputs, so 1 more left. Of course, I need to use the USB hub because there's just 3 USB sockets on the side. Not ideal, but it's a small device. Good, and the main thing what I have here is the microphone. That's the Chinese microphone. Very cheap one, but very efficient and good one. It cost me maybe 30 euros. I purchased this microphone from AliExpress together with this mixer, which I'm using on my live streams, and together with the mic, it cost me only maybe 30 or maybe 40 euros. Then we have here the speaker, which is a homemade speaker made from an old subwoofer. I had to replace the speaker inside, of course, and the box and everything is genuine, but also this cover I also had to buy in the local store. Okay, next is my Icom 7610 transceiver, which is the SDR transceiver working from all or on all HF bands. It can be tuned or receive from long waves from, I think, 60 hertz is the minimal frequency which you can tune on this radio. Yeah, I think 60. If you go to input frequency, we can go to 0. No. Again. Okay, it's not working. So 0.150. So we are on 150, and most of the shortwave receivers which you can buy on internet are able to work from 150 kilohertz. Mostly the Chinese receivers working from 150, but this one goes down to, I think, 60 hertz. No, even more. Okay, 30 hertz. Okay, so you can receive the stations or the signals. There is no stations. You can receive the stations from 30 kilohertz, but I believe that the reception on such low frequency is very attenuated, and I think that there is no much joy on these frequencies. And the maximum frequency which you can tune on this radio is, I believe, 55, 56 megahertz. I believe it doesn't have 4-meter band, so 70 megahertz band. It doesn't have this band. It like 7300, because the Icom 7300 does 4 meters, but this not. Okay, and that's the original speaker for my Icom. Well, the question, why are there two speakers? Because the left one I'm using for the VFO-A, and the right side here I'm using for the VFO-B. The IC7610 is well known for its two separate receivers, so you can really receive two separate signals on both VFO at the same time. also on different bands. So I can receive station on the VFO-A, which is on 80 meter band, and on the VFO-B, I can receive the station which is on 10 meters at the same time because the receivers are separated and independent. It has also two antenna tuners inside for each VFO separate. There is a question, is there anyone here having the register setting of BK4829? Well, I'm not sure if I understand. No, I can't transmitting on the VFO-A and receive on the VFO-B. If I push the PTT button on VFO-A, the VFO-B gets mute, of course. Otherwise, strong signal from the antenna could destroy the receiver, of course. But it can be used also for, I think, for split. Well, I'm not sure if I can use it for split. If you change the band, tracking have to be turned off, and frequency, let's say 28. I can see that the split is turned on, and if I push the PTT button, no, where is the PTT button? Over here is the PTT button. Okay, yeah, we can transmit also a crossband on this radio. So I receive on 17 meter band, and I'm transmitting on 28 megahertz. You see that? Okay, and that's about my radio. And this is the Yaesu G1000 antenna controller. I have the rotator G1000 on my tower, which is the aluminium tower, about 6.5 or maybe 7 meters tall. It's not very big one, but pretty good one. Of course, we have some issues with the neighbors and so on, and I think this is the most accepted height of the tower. You can see or watch the video when I built this tower. And on this tower I have the G1000 rotator, which is pretty good one, and quite enough for my antenna. And that's the other equipment what I have here. It's the 2-element HEX BEAM antenna. 2-element HEX BEAM antenna. It's 6-band antenna, and in total it is 12-element antenna. So 2 elements each band. Okay, so I have some other stuff here, like some other receivers, like this one, the ATS25. You can also see the videos about the ATS25 Max decoder. Very nice equipment. And I just recently updated a firmware through the internet, as this radio can be connected to the Wi-Fi network. and when is available update, firmware update, it can be updated right through the screen. It's a very good stuff. As you can see, it has some kind of analog S meter or some like a waterfall, audio waterfall, or bar graph. No, it's the spectrum or bar graph S meter. Yeah, it's a really nice thing. Of course, internal battery and so on. And the favorite one is the Malahite DSP2 receiver, and that's the best receiver in my ham shack. And I would fully recommend to you guys to buy this radio if you are looking for some serious HF receiver. This is the right one. And this receiver works from 10 kilohertz up to 380. Then there is a gap between 380 and 403. And then it works to 2 gigahertz. All modes, even decodes the CW 5000 milliamp hour battery. This is truly great radio. And the best thing on the receiver is that it has beautiful speaker. Inside you can find 2 speakers with absolutely great audio. You can listen to the SSB signals in high quality sound. It has 2 antenna inputs, high Z or 50 ohm. And so on. And I'm currently charging my battery, which is the 8 amp hour battery, which I'm using for my QRP trips or my QRP activities, and I'm using for it this charger, which is the reactor 250 watt charger. It is multi charger. It can charge all batteries you have in your shack. That's for sure. Yeah, cup of tea over here. And maybe the latest or the current or recent gadgets I purchased to my shack is this tiny Lamax camera X 9.2 for my adventures. Possibly. I didn't try to make any videos yet with this camera, so because this is the very new one. So maybe in some of my next videos there will be material recorded by this tiny camera. Of course, a small magnetic loop antenna, which I'm using for my receivers. Also sometimes when I'm working on 10 or 6 meter band, it's a modified version of this bigger one, which is over there. The MC20 mag loop antenna for QRP activities. So if you have any questions, just let me or leave the comment in the chat But now I'm going to start with HAMRADIO Activity. I need a bigger desk. Actually.
No problem, Nigel. Thank you, Best 73, Sierra Kilo 6 Delta Golf, listening on 17.
Okay, so for the beginning, we should find out what the propagations looks like on 17 meter.
Charlie Italy, special call and stand by. Alpha, Oscar Papa, Oscar Echo 2, Oscar Echo 2, one moment please, Oscar Echo 2, Alpha, Echo Papa, vediamo un po', è corretto, Alpha Oscar Papa, Alpha Oscar Papa, Alpha Oscar Papa, Oscar Echo 2, Alpha Oscar Papa, 5-9, Walter, 5-9.
Delta, over.
Okay, November Mexico Delta 59 GTX.
Guys, I want to repeat again the information I gave you on the beginning of the live stream. This live stream is kind of special. I used the low latency settings on this live stream. So there is a low latency settings active on the live stream. So maybe the quality of transmission or quality of the picture is not as in my previous live stream, but this live stream is special that it is low latency live stream. So you should be able to hear me live, just a very small delay in my real transmission and what is on the live stream, just for your information.
India. Sierra Papa 6, India Golf Oscar 59 GTX.
Is this frequency in use?
Mike 0, Oscar Mike Tango, Newcastle, thank you very much for your feedback.
Shift and doing some other fun stuff. All right, Ross, I'll let you go. If you don't mind, I'll put you in the cluster so other people will find you. Wishing you all the best for 2025, good health and good propagation, and I look forward to catching you again soon. Whiskey 1, Romeo Alpha Bravo, PH9HB. Go ahead, Ross.
Okay, very good.
Definitely my clock on the radio
this year
is not precise.
I'm 78 today, but I was 77 in February when I retired. And I don't have the number
So you can hear the American station. America is open.
And I gotta say, I'm very glad.
That's a good sign. Is this frequency in use?
Yes, sorry, mate. Sierra Kilo 6 Delta Golf.
Okay. So let me find something else. Maybe here. Is this frequency in use? Is this frequency in use? Oh, I'm about 15 kilometers away from the city. I'm living in the countryside. Also, I forgot to show you my antenna. So I will show you my antenna. One moment. Okay, so here is the picture of my antenna. Oh gosh. One moment. I'm working on it. Yeah, here it is. So the question regarding my antenna, this is my antenna. That's the HEX beam on the tower. So you can see this 6.5 or 7 meter tower, and on top is a 2 elements antenna. And is it not on the picture yet, but here behind the antenna to the fence, which is behind, there is another antenna right now. It's the 40 meter dipole, NFE dipole, which is used also for 80 meter with the coil. So this is the antenna, and this is the antenna that I'm working with. Okay, is this frequency in use? This is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. CQ, this is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Italy Zulu 1 Hotel Kilo Echo QRP. Nice to meet you, Alessandro. 55, I think. Back to you. No. Wow, he's weak.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango Delta Bravo 3 Bravo Whiskey.
India Zulu 1 Hotel Kilo Echo Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. I'm sorry, my friend, but I lost you. I lost you, Alessandro. You are very weak now. Strong QSB, are you still copying me? Over. Do you copy me? Do you still copy Alessandro? Over. India Zulu 1 Hotel Kilo Echo. Are you still there? Over. Okay, no readable. Okay, well, if you are watching my live stream, I for now thank you for try. I wish you 7-3, Alessandro. We can try another day, another time, maybe when the propagations will be better. This is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango calling CQ 17 and listening.
Lima Alpha 2 Papa India Alpha remote supportable.
Lima Alpha 2 Papa India Alpha, Peter, thank you. You are remote, I copy you very good. Operator Paul, over.
Yeah, QSL Paul, you're very nice signal here with me. You're 5 and 7 to 5 and 9. I'm outside walking the dog about 2 kilometers from the site of my transmitter at the cabin here in the mountains of southern Norway. The name is Peter, And I don't want to keep you too long, but I'm using an iPhone connected to my Flex 6300, and I'm also using the Icom 1200 sugar linear amplifier. And the antenna here is a full-size delta loop for 80 to 10 meters QSL.
Okay, perfect. This is really enjoyable stuff, what you have. So you're walking with the dog. You have a phone in the hand, and you can work on a 17 meter with European countries. That's really interesting and beautiful thing on your Flex radio. So congratulations to your setup. You sounds really good, like you have sitting in front of your radio right now. Very good stuff. So you have a good weather. We have a very foggy and freezing foggy. We have a freezing foggy here. It's fog. A freezing fog is -2 degrees in my country. Very overcast. Back to you.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that you're such poor weather there, but well, it's not perfect here either, but it's not raining at least. Temperature here is +4 degrees Celsius, so I've got a lot of clothes on here. Anyway, I won't keep you too long. Merry Christmas again, and of course, a Happy New Year to you. This is LA2 PIA portable.
Okay, Lima Alpha 2 Papa India Alpha, remote, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango returning. Thank you very much for this chat. I wish you, your family, 73 and Happy New Year 25. Lima Alpha 2 Papa India Alpha, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Bye-bye.
73s and take care.
QRZ, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango.
Delta Bravo 3, Bravo Whiskey.
Delta Bravo 3 Bravo Whiskey Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Good afternoon. Back to you.
Good afternoon. Here's Delta Bravo 3 Bravo Whiskey for Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Your report 5 and 5, 5 and 7 in the peaks. My handle is Hans, like Hotel Alpha Norway Sierra, and my setup is an Icom IC738, about 100 watts into two-time...
Frequency news.
Mike, back to you.
Delta Bravo 3 Bravo Whiskey, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Hans, is good to see you, and thank you for 57. You are also 57 here with me, Hans. 5 and 7 also. So you have a good signal report. And I'm working with 100 watts and a HEX BEAM antenna. So that's my working conditions. And thank you very much for contact on 17 for the very first one. I wish you 73 and Happy New Year. Delta Bravo 3 Bravo Whiskey, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, Delta Bravo 3 Bravo Whiskey returning. Wish you also a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, and I hope we will see us in the next year on the other band. 73, bye-bye.
Yeah, okay, thank you for your wishes. 73, bye-bye. And QRZ on 17 meters. I am Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango.
Mike 3 Sierra Victor Oscar.
Mike 3 Sierra Victor Oscar, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Hello, Lee. Good to see you again. Operator name is Paul, Papa Alpha Uniform Lima, and I think you were 5 and 5 with me. Over.
Yeah, okay, Paul. Yeah, thanks. You're on a 5 and 7 here. Yeah, nice to work you on a new band. Yeah, pass it back to you.
Yeah, okay. You're 5 and 5 with me, 55, and this is our second contact. The first one was in May of this year. Back to you, Lee. Over.
Yeah, Roger. I see we have a contact before on 20 meters. Okay, Paul. I'll say 7-3s and hope to work you again on a different band. Back to you.
Many thanks, Lee. And 73. By the way, what is my signal report, please?
Yeah, you're about 5 and 7. About a 5 and 7. Back to you.
Okay, 5 and 7. Thank you very much for QSL 73 and Happy New Year, Lee.
Thank you. Happy New Year.
Hello, CQ. Calling CQ. This is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango.
Sierra Victor 9 Tango Alpha Papa.
Sierra Victor 9 Tango Alpha Papa Dimitris, Kalispera. My name is Paul, Papa Alpha Uniform Lima, back to you.
Hello Paul, this is Sugar Victor 9 Tango Alpha Papa, if you copy. See, I'm watching your YouTube video right now. You copy me very well here. Propagation so good. I copy you 5x2, 5x2. QSL Paul?
Yeah, Roger, 5 by 2, but my antenna is beaming north. My antenna is beaming north. You are coming from the south. You are coming from the south. So my antenna is beaming north. Thank you very much for QSO. Dimitris 73, Kalispera, bye-bye. Oh.
Happy New Year, 73, bye-bye.
Many thanks, 73, calling CQ. This is Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango.
Ocean Nancy 2, Victoria Golf.
Oh my gosh, that was really strong. Oscar Nancy 2 again.
Oscar November 2, Victoria Golf, QSL.
Oh boy, that's really strong. Oscar Nancy 2, Victor Golf, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, Gilbert. Good afternoon. You sound really like a BBC station, over.
But that's the same on this side, Paul. You're coming in very strong, 9+10 over here. And audio quality, it's super quality, Paul, QSL.
Okay, thank you. But indeed, you sound really super good. And you can hear yourself on my live stream, which I'm doing right now. I'm live streaming on YouTube, and you can hear your voice. It's absolutely fantastic. Great voice. What's your working conditions? I'm interested in, over.
It's not so spectacular, Paul. Anyway, I'm just working on the wire antenna. It's the Wyndham 1600, which is about 83 meters long, off-center dipole antenna. And the radio is the Icom IC7700 QSL.
Okay, IC7700. Okay, yeah, that's a really nice radio, by the way. I am using the Icom 7610, so we both have the Japanese radios. They are pretty good. Gilbert, thank you for contact. Your equipment is doing fantastic job. 73, and Happy New Year to you and yours. Oscar November 2, Victor Golf, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango.
Roger. Thank you very much for all the wishes, and of course, all the wishes come in return to you. I hope you had a happy Christmas and even a better 2025, Paul. Anyway, thank you very much for returning to my call, and like I said, you'll get all the flowers on your radio and your broadcasting. It's a very super quality. Thank you very much, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango from Oscar November 2 Victoria Golf 73, and bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Gilbert. Thank you again for your flowers. 73, bye-bye. QRZ, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango.
India Whiskey 1, Charlie Juliet Mike.
India Whiskey 1, Charlie Juliet Mike, 59 plus QSL.
Oh, okay, thank you. 59 for you, plus
he sounds
10,
like...
okay? Thank you for the contact.
Thank you. You sound like a 59 plus. Your real signal report is 5 and 8. 58 with me, but you sound really good. You're good audio on your side. Thank you for contact. 73. Greetings to Italy. Happy New Year. Italy Whiskey 1 Charlie Juliet Mike Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Bye-bye.
Okay, Happy New Year for you. Thank you for the contact. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Giuseppe. Europe, 1 moment standby. Is there any station from DX, please? Any station outside Europe? Any station outside Europe, please? Okay, nothing from the outside Europe. Calling CQ, OM0ET listening.
Echo India 2. Oscar November 1, Bravo Delta.
Echo India 2, go ahead.
Yeah, this is Echo India 2, Kilo Charlie. Echo India 2, Kilowatt Charlie, QSL.
Echo India 2, Kilo Charlie, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango. Tony, nice to meet you. Your signal 57, 5 and 7, Tony, back to you.
QSL
Paul, thank you. You're 5 and 9 on this side, running a vertical antenna and about 300 watts. You have the name QTH, is about 50 kilometers north of Dublin. Happy New Year to you, and thanks for the live stream, QSL.
Many thanks, Tony. Many thanks for watching my live stream. I have just one question regarding the delay. Do you see any significant delay in the live stream and the radio? Over.
Yeah, the live stream is about 3 seconds behind the actual transmission, Paul. It's about 3 seconds, I think. No more than 5 seconds, but certainly a few seconds behind, Roger.
Oh, perfect, perfect. Thank you very much, Tony. That's great. People say that 5 seconds, so maybe 3 or 5 seconds. It's much better than before. My first live streams before were much delayed, maybe 30 seconds, maybe even more. So that's really good. Thank you for the information. Wish you a Happy New Year 2025, Tony, and hope to see you next time again. Echo India 2 Kilo Charlie, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, over.
Yeah, QSL, Paul, thanks for the QSO. By the way, I do follow you online and I'm subscribed to your YouTube channel. I also make some content for YouTube and I blog about ham radio, so it's very enjoyable. Keep up the good work. Thanks a million and all the very best for 2025. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, Echo India 2 Kilo Charlie. Cheerio, 7-3, bye-bye.
Okay, thank you, Tony. You can provide here, or you can share the name of your YouTube channel here, QSL.
My blog is Ham Radio Ireland. Ham Radio Ireland. It's easy to find, and on my YouTube, if you just search for EI2KC, you'll find a lot of video content. Great to hook up with another YouTuber. Thanks, Paul. All the very best, and enjoy the pile-up. 7-3.
Yeah, okay. Thank you very much. Maybe people are watching this. They can find your channel on YouTube. Thank you for QSO 73, and yeah, you can also write your channel into the chat. For the others. 73, Tony, thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Will do. Thank you, Paul. 7-3. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. QRZOM0 ET calling and listening.
Oscar November 1, Bravo Delta.
Oscar November 1, Bravo Delta. Strong signal here, David. Microphone back to you, over.
Oscar November 7, Foxtrot, Quebec, Antwerp, Belgium.
Oscar November 1, Bravo Delta. QSL, Paul, you have also a good signal about 20 dB over 9 without preamp, QSL.
Oh, wow. Thank you for 20 dB over 9. That's really awesome. You're 59 plus 10 dB here, David. Also very strong signal, and thank you for this contact. Many people are calling, so I wish you, your family, 73, and Happy New Year, David. Bye-bye, 7-3, over.
Yes, thank you, Paul. Thank you. I have you now to the log. I have watched several videos of you. Now I have you to the log. Thank you, 73. Good New Year.
Yeah, QSL, David, thank you. Thank you to my log as well. I logged you, so thank you for the very first QSL with you. 73, have a great day. This is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, over. QRZ Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango.
2 Echo 0 November Charlie Delta.
Sorry, one moment. There was a QRP station. Okay, Foxtrot 4, Lima, November, QRP, Anas, right?
Roger, I'm using your magnetic loop antenna.
Oh, perfect. Excellent. That is really cool. Thank you, Anas. Yes, I remember you from emails. Thank you very much for this, the first QSL with you, Anas. I am currently beaming west. I'm currently beaming my antenna west, and you're working with my MC20 Mac loop. Perfect. So what's your power now? What's your power, and where is the antenna, over?
Thank you. Actually, I'm using the exact same QRP setup that you're usually using on your live stream. So it's a Zygu X6200 with the MC20. Over.
Fantastic. Thank you very much for this test. I'm always so excited to hear anybody with the MC20 maglev from the other side as I made them, and it's really nice feeling to hear the stations from this antenna from the other side of the Europe or of the Earth. Thank you, Anas. Your signal report is 5 and 3. This is an honest report, 5 and 3. Anas, with me here. The preamp is off on my transceiver. Foxtrot 4, Lima November QRP, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango.
Thank you. By the way, I'm just using 5 whiskey, so I'm just
wow.
using the internal antenna. Just want to see how it sounds, how you receive me. So I didn't put the live stream next to me, just to make sure I concentrate on the radio side of it, and then later on I will check how it sounds on your side.
Okay, Fox 4 Lima November Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. About 80% of your transmission I have received 100%. Then it goes to the fade. It faded away on the over of your transmission, Anas. But I understand that you're running only 5 watts with the Zygu 6100, the same equipment as I have when I'm working with QRP. So it is very poor weather conditions today, as we have very gray sky, very overcast. It's very foggy and it's really cold, -2 degrees here. So it will be so nice to be on the magnetic loop as well and work you from the mag loop to mag loop. So maybe next time when the propagation will be good and also weather conditions. 73 Anas, it's been the big pleasure to hear you and meet you for the first time from your mag loop, and hope to see you next time again, Anas, maybe also on some other band. Foxtrot 4 Lima November QRP mag loop, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Back to you.
Thank you, Paul. Thank you. Yeah, it's bad weather here as well. It's -1 degree, foggy all the week, so not the best conditions to use the mag loop outside. So, by the way, I'm just using the mag loop introduction, so not a very good setup, but I'm glad that I made it to enter Europe, and hopefully we will make contact next time when the weather is better. Thank you, Paul. 73. Bye-bye.
Yeah, thank you, Anas. Enjoy your new antenna and also enjoy the QRP activities. It's the QRP activity is also my favorite activity within HAMRADIO hobby. 73 Anas, hope to see you next time. Fox 4 Lima November QRP, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Happy New Year. Bye-bye. QRZ on 17, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango.
Delta Golf 1, Papa Mexico.
Delta Golf 1, Papa Mike 59 here with me, operator Paul, over.
Yeah, QSL Paul, you are 58 in Frankfurt, the name is Alex. Alex the name, Roger?
Okay, Alex, 100% copy. Thank you for the 58. You are 59 here with me, but you have some distortions, some noise in the audio. It seems like RF. It seems like RF from RFI from your antenna. Maybe you need some current choke or something, Alex. Delta Golf 1, Papa Mike, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango.
Yeah, QSL Paul, thanks for the hint. Now I deactivated the linear amplifier. Is it better now?
Yes, 100% better. Now it's gone. It's perfect, clean. Over.
Okay, so I have to look for a joke, for a W1JR joke maybe. But thank you very much for the information. Okay, Paul, thanks for the call from Slovak Republic. Wishing you a happy new year and all the best to you and your family. 73 from Germany, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, Delta Golf 1, Papa Mike.
Yes, many thanks also for meeting you here on this band. I wish you a happy New Year 2025. Delta Golf 1, Papa Mike, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango.
Okay, thank you so much, Paul. 73, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Calling CQ, this is Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango on 17 meters.
Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango. Hier ist Delta Lima 3, Mike, Bravo, Lima, stop, remote control.
Okay, another remote station, Delta Lima 3, Mike, Bravo, Lima, Manfred. Good to see you. My name is Paul, Papa Alpha, Uniform Lima 59, and you beat the pile-up, over.
Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, DL3 MBL, stock, remote control. Good afternoon, Paul. You tell me, my name was Manfred. Your signal report 20/9. I'm living near Hamburg and calling over remote station near Frankfurt, Main. 20/9 near Frankfurt, Main, Paul. QSL?
Okay, QSL. You have a nice signal, really nice signal. You like original station, not the remote. You sound really good. Manfred, thank you for QTH. My QTH is located in Slovakia, and I live in the eastern part of Slovakia, maybe 60 kilometers south from the border with Poland and about 50 or 60 kilometers west from the border with Ukraine. Manfred, thank you for QSL. Enjoy your remote control. And 73, Delta Lima 3, Mike Bravo Lima, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango.
Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, DL3 MBL, stop, remote control. Okay, Paul. Have a good afternoon. Beginning the new year. Happy New Year 2025. And I hope you will hear us again. So long. Bye-bye.
Many thanks, Manfred. 73 QRZ OM0 ET calling and listening. Okay, Hotel Bravo 9 station. Hotel Bravo 9 again.
Roger, this is Hotel Bravo 9, Charlie Victor, Mexico. You are 5 and 9. A very good and clear signal in Switzerland.
QSL Albin 59 as well. 59 as well with me, Albin. Also nice signal and good audio from your station. I wish you a very nice Sunday and Happy New Year. Greetings to Switzerland. Over.
Thank you for all the wishes, and the same to you, 73, and Happy New Year in 2025, sorry. 73 and bye-bye. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango from HP9C, QRT. Bye-bye, Paul.
Many thanks. 73 Albin. Bye-bye.
Tango Alpha Mobile.
Okay, the mobile station, go ahead.
Tango Alpha 3, Zebra, TA3ZZ, QSL.
Tango Alpha 3 Zulu Mike, Oscar Mike, Tango Alpha 3 Zulu stroke mobile, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Very nice signal from your mobile. What's your working conditions, Sardar? My name Paul, over.
QSL Paul, we take you so almost 2 years ago. My rig is also 891 and I am using ATAS antenna, so ATAS 120A antenna. Power 100 with over.
Oh, beautiful. Yeah, I like these ATAS antennas all the time. When I worked somebody with ATAS antenna, he goes really nicely here in my QTA. So these ATAS antennas working very good. My antenna is 2-element HEX beam. I'm beaming northwest right now, so your signal would be much more stronger if I turn my antenna towards your direction. So please, if you give me 1 minute, I will turn my antenna and we'll see what my signal will improve, and also mainly your signal, how will improve. So I'm turning my antenna to the east. 1 moment.
QSL waiting.
I'm just curious what the signal will looks like. Tango Alpha 3 Zulu Zulu Mobile, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. I'm heading my antenna towards you, over.
Wow, it seems incredible. I just looked back from next door. Your signal is 5 and 9, 59, 10 dB over 5 and 9 QSL.
QSL, incredible. You're also 59 plus 5 dB here. 59 plus 5 dB. That's really amazing signal for your mobile equipment. Really nice. Thank you for beautiful contact with you, and greetings to Turkey 73 and Happy New Year. Tango Alpha 3 Zulu Zulu Mobile, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango.
QSL Paul, hope to see you on the next year also, my friend. Regards from Turkey 73. Bye bye. Happy New Year. Merry Christmas.
Serdar, thank you, Serdar, for contact 73.
57 in
Italy, Uniform Q, Sierra, Mike Alpha.
Okay, wait a moment. Is there anybody from the east? I'm heading my antenna east. I'm beaming to Asia, beaming to Far East, beaming Asia, Far East, maybe Pacific. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango listening.
Yes, Paul, this is 4 Lima. November again, over.
Again, 4 Lima, 4 Lima.
4 Lima 4 Foxtrot November. QSL, Paul?
Oh yes, Ed, nice to meet you again. 4 Lima 4 Foxtrot November, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. I was not looking on my screen, but you sound very good here. Back to you, over.
Yes, Paul, same and as usual with audio. Signal is report would be 5758, but perfectly readable. Over.
Okay, for Lima 4 Fox November, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango 57 with me. Your signal is 5 and 7 from Georgia. So it's nice to meet you again. This is contact number 3 regarding my logbook, but this is maybe more. Back to you.
Well, actually, it's number 4. We met before on a 17 meters when you were operating QRP station. So I need you on a 12 and 20 meters bands as well. That's for the future. Over.
Okay, thank you for the information. Yes, when I'm working QRP, I don't have a proper logbook like this over here. So thank you for reminder, and thank you for QSO 73, Ed, and I wish you Happy New Year 2025. 4 Lima 4 Fox November, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango.
That's Roger, Paul. See you on the other band, and Happy New Year. All the best. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango for us and clear. Bye-bye.
Thank you for contact 73 QRZ Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango.
Lima Bravo 1 in November Hotel.
Oh my gosh, somebody very strong is close to my frequency. I think Lima Bravo 1, go ahead.
Lima Bravo 1 in November.
Oh gosh. Okay, Lima Bravo 1 November Hotel. I'm heading east. I'm heading east, but I copy you maybe 55 Harold, but I've got some QR Mexicos. Back to you.
Yeah, I also have some QR Mexico here, Paul, but you are 5 and 3 in the QR Mexico there, over.
Yeah, QSL, thank you for 53. Yeah, maybe I have to change the frequency. Okay, thank you, Harold. I will beam my antenna maybe in a moment to your direction, so the signal should be better. For now, 73, Harold, Lima Bravo 1 November Hotel, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango.
So have a Happy New Year. Bye-bye.
Okay, Harold. Yes, the signal is fading, but I'm beaming east. 73. Greetings to Norway. Bye bye. Hello, CQ. Beaming to the east. Beaming to Asia Pacific. Beaming Asia Indian Ocean Pacific area. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Neviem, či stihnem, Rasto, ísť na 10 metrov. Uvidíme. CQ. This is Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, beaming to the east.
Hotel Bravo 9, Hotel Papa Sierra.
Okay, seems that no more stations from the east, so I'm going rotate my antenna to the west again. And this is Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango listening.
2 Echo 0, November Charlie Delta.
2 Echo 0, November Charlie Delta, correct?
Roger. Yes, good afternoon to you, Paul. Nice to have another QSO with you. Your signal has been coming in quite well, even when you had your antenna to the east. A lot of QRM, but your signal was varying between 5.5 and 5.7. You're around about 5.8 now on the last over, but quite a bit of QSB on the band this afternoon at my end. So nice to have the contact with you anyway, and say Happy New Year and enjoy those cakes and biscuits you have, Abba.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Nick. I will enjoy them for sure, but maybe after my live stream. My lovely wife just bring me these cookies. Which I have on the desk. Okay, thank you, Nick, for QSO. I wish you 73 and Happy New Year 2025. 2 Echo 0, November Charlie Delta, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango. And yes, I owe you signal report. Once I rotated the antenna towards you, it's 5 and 3 with me. 5 and 3, Nick. 73. Have a good day.
I'm sorry, and 145 and the this frequency and the X expedition and Yankee 25 kilo and this frequency and the disturber and the X expedition. I'm sorry, and is it possible another frequency, please?
Okay, 73 2E0 NCD OM0 ET. Bye bye. Good luck. And I have to go QSY because I am doing disturbances, almost something like that. So I'm going QSY to 142, 142.
Okay, thank you very much. Very strong your signal, very strong. And at this moment I find out plus 14. Very strong signal. They compliment your station. Bye bye. Good access and Happy New Year for you and your family. Bye bye. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. But next time, please do not disrupt my QSO here. Okay, thank you very much.
Bye bye, and you too as may. Bye bye. Thank you.
This is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QSY to 142. Calling CQ. This is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango 117. Oscar Kilo.
Oscar Zulu number 1, India, Oscar Mike.
Oscar Zulu 1, India, Oscar Mike. Alan, nice signal, 56 with me, over.
Roger, Paul. I'm also following you on YouTube. You are 5 and 9 on the west coast of Denmark. The name is Alan, Alpha Lima Alpha November, and the QTH is Esbjerg on the west coast of Denmark. Back to you.
Oscar Zulu 1, India, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Thank you, Alan. You are 5 and 8 with me, and thank you for watching the live stream. Thank you for also contact and your patience, because many stations calling. So I wish you 73, Alan. Hope to see you next time, and Happy New Year 2025. Over.
73, Paul, and a Happy New Year.
Yeah, you too. 73, QRZ.
Italy 4, Victor, Italy, Lima.
Ontario, Norway 4, Charlie,
Okay.
David.
Okay, one moment, guys. Oscar November 4, Charlie Hotel Delta. Oscar November 4, Charlie Hotel Delta. Stefan, do you still copy, or do you copy me? Over.
The 6100 and your antenna. Do you copy, Paul?
Okay, very nice, Stefan. Oscar November, wait a moment. Oscar November 4, Charlie Hotel Delta, QRP indoor magnetic loop antenna. Perfect. You're running 10 whiskey from indoor antenna. Your signal report is signal 1, readability between 4 and 5. Readability between 4 and 5 at signal 1, QSL. Okay, Stefan, so beautiful. Thank you very much for the magnetic loop antenna contact with you. And from the indoor antenna, that's really nice. I just imagine what signal will look like when you put your antenna on the balcony, or maybe outdoors somewhere in the garden, or anywhere else. Stefan, thank you very much for QRP QSO. I wish you 73. Enjoy your magnetic loop antenna, and Happy New Year 2025. Oscar November 4, Charlie Hotel Delta, QRP, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango. Thank you. Bye-bye. Calling CQ, OM080 calling and listening.
Lima Bravo 1 in November Hotel can copy you in 5 and 9 plus now, Paul. Very good. And I also heard the Oscar November station sitting inside with a magnetic loop. Very, very nice. He was 5 and 2 with me. So very nice QRP station there, Paul. Over.
Perfect. So you have received this station 1S point stronger than me. That's really interesting. Thank you. You're 59 plus 10 Ariel right now when I'm heading towards you, the antenna. Perfect. Thank you. And 73.
73, Paul. Your HEX BEAM is working very, very good, you know. So good luck with the DX. I will listen for you. Bye-bye.
Okay, thank you. And 73, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango listening.
Italy Uniform 7, Papa Radio Hotel.
Italy Uniform again.
Italy Uniform 0, Sierra Romeo Hotel.
Italy Uniform 0, Sierra Romeo Hotel, Giorgio. Good evening to Italy. You're 59 plus. You beat the pilot. Over.
Yes, okay, you are ready for 5 and 20. Many thanks for this short contact, and Happy New Year, Paul. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, Italy Uniform 0, Sierra Romeo Hotel.
Thank you, Giorgio, for 59 also. And 73, Happy New Year 2025. Bye-bye. Ciao.
Hotel Bravo 9, Golf, Uniform 7, Papa Radio Alpha.
Lima Alpha 7, Papa Radio Alpha. Go ahead.
Yeah, this is Lima Alpha 7, Papa Radio Alpha. The name here is Fredrik. QTH is in the part of Norway. I see that we have a QSO in 2017, so it's nice to meet you again on the air here, Paul. Your signal report here is 5 by 7. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, Lima Alpha 7, Papa Radio Alpha.
Okay, Frederick, my name is Paul, Papa Alpha, Uniform Lima, and your signal is speaking S8, sometimes S9 here with me. So nice signal, but there is a lot of noise. Sorry, a lot of fading on the signal. So the conditions are maybe changing. 73, thank you for contact and Happy New Year 2025. Lima Alpha 7, Papa Radio Alpha, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango 73.
Yeah, 73, Paul. Hope to meet you again later on. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. QRZOM0 ET.
Hotel Bravo 9, Golf Uniform Romeo.
7, Echo Mike Kilo.
Oh, Hotel Bravo 9, Golf Room, Romeo Uniform, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango. Hello, my dear friend, over.
Okay, Hotel Bravo 9, Golf Uniform Radio, Golf Uniform Radio. Hello, Paul. How are you? This is Philip from Switzerland, QSL.
QSL, Philip, QSL, yes, I know you, but I just messed up your call sign, so sorry. Hotel Bravo 9 Golf Uniform Romeo is your call sign. And how about your magnetic loop antenna, over?
No, not in use now, not in use now. I'm using a high-end fed with 400 watt and the K4 with 400 watt. You are running here about 5x7, 5x7, 5x8 QSL.
Okay, QSL. Thank you for the 5.7 to 5.8. Your signal is 5.9 plus 10 dB. 5.9 plus 10 dB, Philippe. So I'm glad that your antenna is working, but is not in use, of course. Thank you very much, Philippe, that you came to my also channel. I believe that you're watching the channel. 73 to you and your family. Be healthy and take care, and Happy New Year 2025. Hotel Bravo 9 Golf Uniform Radio, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango.
Okay, Roger, I'm not on your channel, but I will go now to hear me. 73, Happy New Year to you and all the other people who are listening to us. 73, Paul.
Many thanks, Philip, 73, and thanks also for your greetings to the other people on the channel. 73, Philip, bye-bye.
Golf 7, Echo Mike Kilo.
Hotel Bravo 9, Foxtrot, India Delta.
November 8, Queen Sugar.
Florida 4, Florida.
Oh, wait a moment. November 8, Queen Sugar, correct?
Yeah, that's correct. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango from November 8, Queen Sugar. Good morning from Michigan. The name here is Terry. My name is Terry, Texas Echo Radio Yankee. And yeah, coming in quite well here, about a 5.7 into southern Michigan. And we're just having sunrise here. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango from November 8, Queen Sugar, Terry in Michigan. Over.
Yeah, QSL, very nice. November 8, Queen Sierra, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, Terry. It's nice to see you again. I see on the logbook that we worked together in the year 2018, quite long ago. And it's pretty nice to see you. I see on the gray line map that it is maybe the gray line conditions, because you're coming here with a 5 and 8 to 5 and 9 here, but there is a little fading on the signal. So I believe that this is the gray line conditions, because you are right on the line and I'm right before the gray line. So maybe, I don't know, but you sound very, very good. Your signal report and audio is perfect from your station, so congratulations. And my name is Paul, Papa Alpha Uniform Lima. I'm live streaming this QSO on my YouTube channel, which is the same name as my call sign. If you wish to hear yourself, how you sound like, you can go there and watch. So very good morning to the Michigan from Central Europe, from Slovakia, which is my QTH. November 8, Quebec Sierra, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, over.
Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango from N8QS. Well, very good, Paul, and thank you for all the information, and you're coming in here very well, 5.7, and very nice sounding audio as well. And as I said, as we were talking, that the band is just opening here. We're just having sunrise, and then you saw on your screen there about the gray line. So yeah, very good. And I did just go to your live stream there, so I'm bringing that up, and I can see that. That's very cool. Very nice indeed. Well, Paul, I wish you a very happy New Year coming up very soon. And nice to run into you again here on the 17-meter band.
India, uniform 8.
Here. On this end, by the way, I'm running 800 watts in a homebrew 4-element quad. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango from N8QS. Over.
NAQS OM0ET returning. Fantastic stuff. You're doing really good job with your homemade 4-element quad antenna and 800 watts. I believe, or I think, if I'm not wrong, if I could remember, I recorded your signal in one of my videos. It is a very old video, years ago. It's maybe from this year, 2018. I recorded your audio on the Yaesu FT2000, which I had that time, and I recorded you because of the audio. So I see that it doesn't change at all. 73, Terry, it was the pleasure to meet you. Very good morning to you. Enjoy the Sunday and hope to see you next time. Happy New Year to you and your family. November 8, Quebec Sierra, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango.
Okay, very good, Paul. And yes, I have written in my log notes under your call sign entry in my logbook that you did a YouTube recording of my QSO. With the FT2000. So, yeah, you just reaffirmed and confirmed what that says here. Very good. Well, nice to talk to you, and you sound really good here. You got your audio dialed in very well. And so I'll look forward to the next QSO we have, probably in the new upcoming year. 7-3 for now, and stay well and have fun. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango from N8QS. Over.
Thank you, Terry. Again, 73. Have a good day. Okay. Any more stations from North America? Any more stations from North America or overseas? Maybe KD2JF, John. KD2JF. Do you hear me? All right, now copy. This is Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango on 17 and listening.
Italy United 1, Romeo Uniform Bravo.
Italy Uniform 1, Romeo Uniform Bravo, 59 here with me, over.
Thank you very much, Paul. Good afternoon. 10 dB after 9, modulation very clear, my friend. I copy you very, very well. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, Italy United 1, Romeo Uniform Bravo. Back to you.
Okay, Giorgio. Thank you very much, Giorgio, for the nice signal report. Yes, you are 59 plus, sometimes a little plus over S9. 73, ciao, and Happy New Year 2025. EU 1 RUB OM0ET, over.
Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango.
India, uniform 8.
Thank you very much for the nice PSO. 73 and 51 for your family. Good finish 2024, 2025. 73, thank you for QSO. All the best to your family. Bye-bye.
Many thanks. 73, bye-bye. QRZ OM0ET.
India, uniform 8, uniform Romeo.
A Uniform Romeo again.
India, uniform 8, Quebec, uniform Romeo. Good morning, Paul.
Okay, let me try again. India, uniform 8, Quebec, uniform radio. Chiro, QSL.
QSL radio. Roger, QSL. You're able to find 9. I have your contact in September in 50 meters. Okay, my condition is a long wire in balloon homemade. I'm testing this antenna. Roger?
Okay, Italy Uniform 8, Quebec Uniform Radio, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, thank you. Thank you for another contact, and your signal is 5757 in Slovakia, QSL.
Roger, Roger. Okay, thank you for this contact, 73, and Happy New Year, sir. Thank you.
Many thanks, 73, and Happy New Year to Italy. Bye-bye. QRZ, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango.
Mike 5, Hotel Bravo 9, Fox India Delta.
Mike 5, Mike 5.
Mike 5, Alpha Echo Oscar Portable, you're 5 and 9.
Okay, Mike 5, Alpha Echo Oscar stroke portable. Thank you for 5-9. You are 55, 5 and 5 with me, over.
Roger, Roger, thank you very much. The name is John, Juliet Oscar November. I'm operating portable, 20 watts, over.
Okay, portable and 20 watts. Good, and what's your antenna?
The antenna is an end-fed wire with a counterpoise, 4 to 1 balun, over.
Okay, QSL got it, 100%. Your antenna is doing fine job. I got pretty big pileup, and you came across the pileup, so it's good signal. Thank you for QSL. Enjoy your trip, and hope to see you next time. Happy New Year, John. Mike 5 Alpha Echo Oscar portable, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Bye bye.
Thank you. Good.
There is also the mobile station. Mobile station, come again.
Papa America, Stroke, Kilo Kilo 6, India Golf Juliet.
Again, please, the mobile station. Again, mobile station. All right, nothing heard. QRZ.
PA Stroke, Kilo Kilo 6, India Golf Juliet.
Papa Alpha 4, Kilo again.
Yeah, almost. Papa America Stroke, Kilo Kilo 6, India Golf Juliet.
Florida 4, Hotel Oscar Tango.
Okay, Papa Alpha Stroke, Kilo 6, India Golf Juliet, correct?
Yeah, 100% copy, yeah.
All right, so your signal is 5-7 here. 5-7, Patrick, QSL.
QSL, thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to speak with you here. Just wanted to give you a quick report, 5-9 plus here at the border of the Netherlands. QSL.
Many thanks for the 5 and 9 plus. Your signal is 5 and 6, 5 and 5. 56, 55, and welcome to Europe, over.
Roger, Roger, thank you very much. 73, all the best.
Thank you, and 73, and Happy New Year. QRZ, OM0, ET calling and listening.
Italy Uniform 2, Quebec, Bravo Foxtrot.
Echo Alpha 1, Sailor Radio.
Echo Alpha 1 again.
Okay, hello, my Charlie is Echo America 1, Zelanda Radio. Echo Alpha 1, Sailor Radio, over.
Echo Alpha 1, Zulu Radio, correct?
Okay, 100%.
Okay, Echo Alpha 1 Zulu Radio, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, your signal 55 with me, 55, over.
Okay, QSL. Your signal report is also 5 by 5, 55. The propagation is not good in this moment. It's a very 2-mass KSV, very 2-mass KSV. Okay, my friend, many people calling you. Thank you very much. And 73 Zulaga many DX. Oscar Mike 0, Oscar Echo Tango, Echo America 1, Zulu Romeo. Bye-bye, thank you. Merry Christmas. And a happy year. Bye-bye.
Okay, Cesar, Echo Alpha 1 Zulu Radio, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. You're picking 59 here with me, 59 user signal report. Thank you for contact 73 and Feliz Navidad, my friend. Bye-bye. Good luck. Happy New Year. Bye-bye. QRZ, one more station, and then I go QSY to 10 meters.
Italy Uniform 2, Quebec, Bravo Foxtrot.
One more time, please. Okay, Oscar Bravo Whiskey, go ahead.
Foxtrot.
Okay, QRZ again, the many stations calling. QRZ again, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango.
Italy Uniform number 2, Quebec Bravo Foxtrot.
India Uniform 2, Quebec Bravo Foxtrot, Francesco. Nice to meet you. 73 to you, and you're 59 plus 10 dB over.
Thank you very much, Pauli.
Plus 20.
You see, it's 20 dB over the 20. Complimenti, 73.
Okay, thank you for 20. You are also 20 dB here, Francesco. 73, ciao, and Happy New Year.
Ciao, grazie, auguri anche a te, buon anno.
Buon anno. 73, QRZ again. Sierra Victor 1, Mike Romeo Alpha, 57, QSL. Okay, 5758, Petros 73, Kalispera. Again, QRZ, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango.
Delta Lima 3, Oscar Bravo Whiskey.
Delta Lima 3, Oscar Bravo Whiskey, 59, over.
Many thanks for your call. Your signal is also 59 plus 10. Very nice to copy. Very clear audio. It's very nice to copy. Mike, back to you.
Okay, thank you, Günther. Thank you for a nice signal report in Germany. 73, and a very nice Sunday and Happy New Year. I wish you, over.
Many thanks for the best wishes. Also, it's for you. A very nice year, 2025. All the best for you and many good DX. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye, Günther. 73. Happy New Year. Bye-bye. QRZ. Okay, I give the chance to the any QRP or mobile station. Any QRP or mobile station. Is there any QRP or mobile?
4 X-ray 5, Papa Bravo.
4 X-ray 5, Papa Bravo from Africa. Go ahead again.
Yes.
Oh no, it's from Israel.
5, Papa Bravo. My name is David from Tel Aviv. 5x9, 5x9.
Okay, sorry, you're coming from Israel. 4X5 Papa Bravo Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Your signal report is 55 with me, 55, but my antenna is beaming to opposite direction, QSL.
Okay, QSL. I want vertical, antenna vertical. Okay, Happy New York, my friend, 73, good luck.
Okay, good luck, David. 73, shalom, shalom, Happy New Year.
Shalom, shalom.
Okay, as you can see that some people start jamming my signal, making bad things on the frequency. Maybe I am too close to the Juliet 75 kilo. I think I'm too close to this frequency and maybe people are angry on me. I don't know, but I don't see any other reason why somebody should or could jam my signal and making QRM, but whistling and tuning and pushing some bad voices. This is nothing to do with ham spirit, guys. Okay, I go up to 10 meters. Maybe it's still time for 10 meters. So let me go to 28 megahertz. I can see that there are some stations over there, and let me see what the propagations looks like on 10 meters right now.
CQ. This is 4 X-ray 1 Yankee Oscar Tango Alpha. 4X1 YOTA. Calling CQ. This is 4 X-ray 1 Yankee Oscar Tango Alpha. 4 X-ray 1 Yankee Oscar Tango Alpha is calling CQ and standing by.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. This is 4 X-ray 1 Yankee Oscar Tango Alpha. Thank you for the call. Your signal report is 59 5 by 9. This is a club station located in a high school in Tel Aviv. Tel Aviv like Tango Echo Lima Alpha Victor India Victor, and my name is Ido like India Delta Oscar India Delta Oscar. And my name and my age is 13 years old, 1-3. So Mike, back to you. How did you copy? Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. This is 4 X-ray 1 Yankee Oscar Tango Alpha.
Okay, 4 X-ray 1 Yankee Oscar Tango Alpha. Nice to meet you, Ido. Your signal report is very nice. Your signal in Slovakia in Central Europe is 57 to 59. You are 57 to 59 signal report. And my name is Paul, Papa Alpha Uniform Lima. Papa Alpha Uniform Lima. Thank you very much for Iota contact and greetings to Tel Aviv in a club station in Israel. Best greetings and 73, and hope to maybe meet you from your licensed call sign, from your own call sign, maybe in the future. Will be the pleasure. So 73 and Shalom from Slovakia. 4X1 Yankee Oscar Tango Alpha, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango.
73, bye-bye.
So let me find some clear frequency. On 10 meter band. It's pretty occupied, this band.
73 is from Kilo Bravo 1 Sierra Oscar. Bye-bye.
Thank you for
I think I read the question regarding what is this kind here on the here. This is the cookie actually, and this cookie is pretty traditional cookie. That's a traditional cookie what we do on the Christmas So my wife made something like this. So also this moon-like or moon shape, and coated with the sugar. They are pretty tasty. So I wish you could taste it. But this is the tradition here in my country to make those cookies. Is this frequency news? Is this frequency news? Okay, nothing heard. Hello, CQ, CQ, CQ. This is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango on 10 meters and listening. Otto Maria 0 Adam Božena. No, tak zhruba taká štvorka rádio a signál 0. Ako ma bereš ty? Áno, OM0AB, OM0ET, áno, ďakujem pekne. 7-3 a díky za report, ahoj.
Hola, Shakur. Golf India 0, Charlie, Whiskey Victor.
Yes, okay, Golf India 0, Charlie, Whiskey Victor, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango. Hello, Gerard, nice to meet you again. Your signal report I will give you in my next over. Go ahead.
Okay, good afternoon, Paul. Yeah, just following you around here on YouTube.
and on the band there. You were peaking 5.9 plus earlier when you were talking to the Israeli station, but down to about 5.859, over.
Yeah, QSL, Gerard, you repeated the same 5.8 signal report here. 5.8 signal report, but sometimes fading down to 4. Sometimes fading down to 4, signal 4. But thank you for 10 meter band contact and for watching my live stream. So I wish you happy New Year 2025 and hope to see you next time, Gerard. Golf India 0 Charlie Whiskey Victor Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango.
Okay, Paul, yeah, better fade in on your signal. Or peaked 5.9 and just dropped. Okay, Paul, thank you very much indeed. Sammy Face, Happy New Year. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Gerard. 73, QRZ, CQ on 10 meters. I am Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango.
Mike 6 Kilo Whiskey Bravo.
Mike 6 Kilo Whiskey Bravo. Kelly, good evening. Operator Paul, over.
Hello, Paul. Good to meet you again. Excellent. Yeah, just caught you on live stream there, and you're up and down though. 5.4, and then it goes 5.9, Paul, over.
Yeah, good. Thank you for such a good signal report. Yeah, 10 meters are fading because of the propagations are probably will be ending here because we are right under the gray line. Or no, not right, almost there. So the gray line will be soon, and conditions are maybe going down. Yeah, there is some QSB also on your signal, Kelly. 58 signal report and fading down to 4. Back to you, Mike 6K WB OM0ET, over.
Okay, Paul, that's excellent. It's good to hear you again, and well, I'll go and join you. I'm going to get a cup of tea now with a bit of toast, and I'll be ready for the day. Well, good luck, Paul. I'll beat you 73s, okay? Good luck.
Yeah, QSL, Kelly. Do you want to taste one of my cookies, over?
Oh, yes, please. Send them through. I'll have 10. Thank you.
Right. Which one do you like? The moon shape or the star?
Oh, the star. Oh, the moon shape's fine. Look at that, yeah. That's very nice. One of each, Paul. How's that?
Yeah, I think it doesn't matter which one. all of them are good. 73, Kelly. Thank you for QSO. 73 and Happy New Year. Mike 6 Kilo Whiskey Bravo Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango.
Okay, Paul. Happy New Year. Enjoy your cookies. Good night. Good luck.
Thank you. QRZ, CQ 10 meters. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango listening. Okay, something very weak and something very big. Try again.
Kilo Delta 2 Juliet.
John, it's you. It's you. Finally, I hear you. It was no signal down there, but I copy you over here on 10 meters, John. The KD2JF, Kilo Delta 2 Juliet Fox, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Nice to meet you and good morning. Back to you, over.
Yes, good morning, Paul. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango from Kilo Delta 2 Juliet Foxtrot. Good to talk to you, Paul. I can finally reach you today, HI. On 10 meters, your signal is 556 to 57. QSL?
Okay, QSL 5657. I'm a little surprised because you're 52 with me. 5 and 2 with me, John. 5 and 2 here. So thank you very much for such great signal report in United States. So what's the weather conditions this morning over there, QSL?
Yeah, it's been raining for the past 24 hours, Paul. It's still raining, but the good news, the temperature is 50 degrees, so it's very warm and we have no snow.
Okay, QSL. The temperature here is under the freezing point. So it's a freezing rain, something like that. It's a freezing rain or a freezing fog. here in my QTH, which is not very big pleasure for my wire beam antenna, the HEX beam. It doesn't like much the freezing fog, because this freezing fog creates a thick crust of the ice on the wires, and it almost broke my antenna a couple of years ago. So I hope that it will be not so dramatic this time, John. Thank you very much for watching the live stream, and also thank you for spotting me and giving me the information in the chat. I'm still reading all these details. Thank you, John 73, and hope to see you next time. KD2JF OM0ET, over.
OM0ET, KD2JF. Okay, very good call and everything. I saw the video when your antenna collapsed on the apartment building, so we wouldn't want that to happen again. And I'll take a star cookie. I will take a star cookie if you can send one of those. Okay.
Okay, Kilo Delta 2 Juliet Foxtrot. Yes, you can see how crispy is this little cookie. So good taste. Enjoy the taste, John 73, and hope to see you next time. Bye bye. Good luck. KD2JF OM0ET. Okay, QRZ Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Very weak. Try again. CQ, CQ10, CQ, CQ10, CQ, CQ10. Oscar Mike. Oh gosh. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango calling CQ10. CQ, CQ10, CQ, CQ10, Oscar, Mike 0, Echo, Tango, listening. Echo Alpha 7, go ahead.
No, it's Echo Alpha 6.
Echo Alpha 6, complete your call sign, please.
Okay, Echo Alpha 6, stroke Delta Whiskey number 1, Radio India Sierra, QRP 5 watts, over.
Oh, very nice. 5 watt. Echo Alpha 6 Echo Alpha 6 stroke Delta Whiskey 1 Radio India Sierra QRP 5 watt. Okay, very good. My name is Paul, Papa Alpha Uniform Lima, cosine Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, and signal for you 5 and 2, 5 and 3, 5 and 2, 5 and 3 QSL.
Yeah, Paul, likewise you're doing 5'9", 5'9", sometimes 5'8", here in Balearic Islands.
What's your call sign one more time? Please repeat your call sign one more time.
From the Philippines. I'm a Filipino, Paul, over.
Roger, Roger, from Filipino, but you are in Spain, so welcome to Europe, my friend. Echo Alpha 6 stroke Delta Whiskey 1 Radio India Sierra is your call sign. Okay. This is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Thank you for QRP contact with you, and I wish you 73. Enjoy the trip. Enjoy the trip in Europe, and hope to see you next time. Hope that maybe from your home QTH, maybe from Philippines. So 73. Happy New Year. Echo Alpha 6 stroke Delta Whiskey 1 Radio India Sierra Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango.
QSL, Paul. Likewise, hope to hear you again. But right now, I'm stationed living here in the Balearic Island. Anyway, 73 and more contact, and advance Happy New Year to you. And hope to see more video of your YouTube channel, Paul, over.
Okay, thank you. Yes, I hope to. I hope so. So maybe some more motivations we'll get in the next year. Okay, before you go, what is your antenna with your QRP?
QSL, I'm using right now with dipole. Actually, this dipole is measured for the 11 meter, but I can transmit it. Right now, my SW meter right now is 1.5, 1.7 right now, Paul, over.
Okay, no problem with your dipole for 11 meter, but it's working on 10 meters as well. Very good from the Balearic Islands with 53 signal report, 73, and hope to see you next time. Happy New Year. Bye bye.
Okay, I see you and Happy New Year advance. Likewise to your family. Bye bye.
Bye bye. QRZ Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Something Sugar Delta, very weak. Something Sugar Delta. Try again. I'm sorry, I didn't copy. It's very weak. But another station from I think North America. Try again. Okay, Kilo Charlie 2, Bravo India Bravo, correct?
Kilo Charlie 2, Echo India Bravo.
Aha, okay, Kilo Charlie 2, Echo India Bravo. My friend Carmen, nice to meet you in person here. I think for the first time. I always see your messages in the chat, but I didn't have much opportunities to meet you in person on the band. So that's a really, really great. Nice to meet you here in person. You know, maybe my name Paul, and your signal report I will give you in my next over. Go ahead.
Yeah, copy that, Paul. Copy that, Paul. It's very, very low, very hard to copy, very hard to copy. Running 100 watts, Icom 7300 from Buffalo, New York.
Roger, Carmen. 100% copy. So your signal is maybe only S1, S2. Your signal S1, S2, also very, very low. But readability 4, sometimes even 5. It's a very low noise here, very low noise over here. So no problem to copy you, Carmen. Thank you very much for being a member of the live streams. I wish you 73, my friend, and hope to see you maybe next time by the much better propagations, Carmen. Hope to see you next time, and Happy New Year 2025. KC2, Echo India Bravo, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango.
Copy that, Paul. 73 from our family here. 73 from our family here. Kilo Charlie 2, Echo India Bravo, 73, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, and we'll be listening to your podcast.
Thank you, Carmen. You are down in the log. Thank you, 73. QRZ, this is Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango. Echo Alpha 1.
Echo America 1, Hotel Italy X-Ray.
Echo Alpha 1, Hotel Italy X-Ray, 5152, 5152 QSL. Echo Alpha 1, Hotel India X-Ray. You are currently 4x1 QSL.
Oh, brother, I'm transmitting only 3 watts and QRP.
Wow.
That's the reason why you don't listen clearly to me, right?
Okay, so only 3 watts, but you're a 52 right now. You're a 52, David. And what is your antenna, over?
My antenna is a long wire antenna. It's a simple long wire antenna, and that's it.
Okay, long wire antenna and 3 watts. 52 with me here, David. 73 is Happy New Year 2025. Feliz Navidad, David, over.
Feliz año nuevo y que sea propicio para ti y tu actividad en radio. Roger.
I don't understand in Spanish. I know just 2 words. Okay, thank you, David, and 73. Enjoy the day.
2 Whiskey 0 Juliet Mike here.
Yeah, that's 2025. Thank you, 73.
Yeah, bye-bye. QRZ again?
Yeah, 2 Whiskey 0, Juliet Mike Kilo.
2 Whiskey 0, Juliet Mike Kilo, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango. Operator Paul, back to you.
Yeah, okay, Paul, Paul, of your 5959 plus here. Operator name this end is Mark, Mike Alpha, Romeo Kilo, sir.
Okay, Mark, also 59 here with me, 59 also. Beautiful signal, and just maybe the audio is not 100% clean, but I do understand 100% what you're saying. No problem at all, Mark. But your 59 signal report. Back to you, over.
Yeah, QSL. We're just running, we're using a President Lincoln Mark 1 with a vertical and a small amplifier, running about 80 watts, QSL.
Okay, so the CB radio on your side, that's cool. That is really nice radio. My dream in the past was to own this radio. So very good. Thank you. The conditions over here. I have Icom 7610 transceiver, the studio mic or something like that. 100 watts and 2-element HEX BEAM antenna pointed towards your direction, Mark. So 73, was the pleasure to meet you, and Happy New Year 2025. 2 Whiskey 0, Juliet Mike Kilo, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango.
Yeah, okay, no problem at all, no problem. Yeah, I don't know why people call it a CB radio. It can only work on 10 meters. It's not been modified at all. It's a true 10-meter transceiver, but it does the job. Okay, my friend, 73 is all the best. Happy New Year to you.
Thank you again, 73. Enjoy your radio. Bye-bye.
Mike 7, Foxtrot, Oscar Whiskey.
Mike 7 again?
Mike 7, Foxtrot, Oscar Whiskey.
Okay, Mike 7, Foxtrot, Oscar Whiskey, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango. Thank you for listening me here on 10 meters. Alan, your signal report 5 and 8 with me, 5 and 8. Operator Paul, over.
QSL, Paul, thanks for taking my call. I was just looking for an audio report from yourself, my friend. I'm currently switched over to the Yaesu MD100 desk mic. I was looking to see how the audio is sounding to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, no problem, Alan. Your audio is clean. It's good audio, but maybe a little bit on low frequencies. You can go to my YouTube channel, OM0ET, the same name as my call sign. I'm live streaming this QSL with you, so you can hear yourself how it sounds like. And also you can see it on the SDR console, how your signal looks like, and where is your audio shifted to. I believe that it is shifted more to the bass frequencies than high frequencies. So that's my opinion, what I can say. But the best would be if you hear it by yourself, Alan. Mike 7 Fox, Oscar Whiskey, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango.
QSL, yes, QSL. Paul, I'll have a wee look on your YouTube just now, and if that's okay, I'll have a wee, just logging in just now, so I'm keying up the mic to see how I'm sounding on your, I'm hearing it now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I understand what you're saying, it is kind of bassy.
Yeah, maybe a little bit, but it's not so bad actually. If you wouldn't ask me, I would never say that. So it's really good audio, but maybe a little bit more high frequency you could add into your sound. Okay, Alan, thank you very much for contact. 73 to you and your family. Enjoy your new mic and hope to see you maybe next time again. Mike 7 Fox, Oscar Whiskey, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango.
Yeah, thanks again for giving us a heads up regarding the audio and that. I switched over a couple of switches to see if that makes it sound any better. And I'll say 73 for now. Thanks for taking my call.
Yeah, thank you, Alan, and Happy New Year 2025. Bye-bye. Good luck.
73.
Again, something with 5.
Golf X-ray 5, Canada Hotel, Canada.
Yeah, Golf X-ray 5, Charlie Hotel Charlie, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango. Very nice evening. Operator name is Paul. Back to you, Dennis. Okay, thank you for 5 and 9, but you are only 4 by 1. 4 by 1 with me here, Dennis. And you are Y on 10, I believe. 73s, and have a good evening. Happy New Year.
Okay, 100 watts now. Happy New Year to you. Good signal there, Paul. Have a good one.
Okay, you came up to S4, S4, S5 in your last over. 7-3, Dennis, and bye-bye. Good luck.
Good luck.
Okay, guys. So this is really interesting. I have to tune. I have to switch down the volume. Thank you very much for this beautiful live stream, guys, and also for these all messages what I read in the chat. It is really nice pleasure to know what this my signal looks like on the other side, and of course good taste, my guys. So this is the traditional cookies. Perfect tasty. And a cup of the tea. Everything is fine when we have some spare time for ham radio and sitting here in front of this stuff. So thank you very much, guys, for watching this live stream. And maybe I would like to make the live stream on the December 31, maybe the last day of the year, or maybe a new year. I don't know. Depends on the spare time here. But I wish you guys happy rest of this old year, 2024. Thank you for being here with me. Most of you during a whole year, my live streams, watching my YouTube videos, and your big support of my channel. And I really hope that we can continue in the next year. I wish you 73, good health, take care, and happy New Year 2025. There is a question in the chat, Zantek. What about a night stream from 2024 into 2025? Yeah, that is what I thought actually, to make such a live stream on the over of 2024 year, and depends on the propagations and the spare time here in my family, of course. So yeah, everything is possible, and you are very welcome in case I will be also again online in this day. So 73, and happy New Year, my friends. Hope to see you next time again. 73.